In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with Notify. If values are entered in all input objects, positive notification is displayed. If no value is entered into any input object, a warning Notify is shown. If no value is entered, negative Notify is shown. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I create an input object for name. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I added the input object for name to the web page. I create an input object for country. I am saving the code file. I added the input object for country to the web page. I create an input object for age. I am saving the code file. I added the input object for age to the web page. I will create a button. I am sending text, color values to the button function. I want a function to be called when the button is pressed. I am defining a function using the onClick property. For now, I define the function with pass. I am saving the code file. I added the button to the website. Now let's code the function. If no value is entered into any input object, I will show the negative Notify object. I am saving the code file. When no value is entered into any input object, a negative Notify object is displayed. If no value is entered into any of the input objects, I will show the warning Notify object. I am saving the code file. There is a problem. Both negative and warning Notify are shown. To fix this, I define a variable. If the negative Notify object is displayed, I ensure that the warning Notify object is not displayed. I am saving the code file. The application works as I want. If values are entered in all input objects, I will show the positive Notify object on the screen. I am saving the code file. The application works exactly as I want. In this video, we learned how to use the Notify object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.